Hi guys, welcome back to Commerce with Mac YouTube channel. Here today we have the prediction for October-November 2024 7707 paper card. First of all, I wanted to thank all the students who have commented in our channel that the prediction was more than 80% accurate. One of the good things I wanted to say today in this video, your support has increased and we have reached 5,000 plus subscribers. Keep supporting Commerce with Mac for more prediction videos and also more commerce related contents. If you haven't subscribed my channel, go and subscribe so you can also learn more commerce related contents in future for Edexcel and Cambridge, even local curriculum. First of all, before we move on to today's prediction, I wanted to say one more important thing. Predictions can be somewhat accurate, cannot be accurate, but predictions are not everything will come to the papers. In this, most of the topics will be tested. For the last 2 years, 80% of the predictions were accurate, which means you can rely on my prediction to 80% up to now. So now, if you guys are studying, this is what you all need to know about the paper. Before we move on to the prediction, just know what is the paper and how the paper structure works. 7707 has two papers, which is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is 35 MCQs. You all need to have a complete idea about the syllabus to do the paper 1, which means you can't skip and you can't exactly say what will come and what will not come. So which means you need to attempt more past papers to be good in paper 1. How do you score better in paper 1? Take 10 years of papers, start doing it. Of course, you can score more than 25 marks out of the 35 if you are going for a A or A star. So now let's move on to the paper 2 prediction, which we are doing 100 mark paper 2, and in that 20 mark 5 questions will be tested. So in that, first question is going to be, let's see the prediction. So A, I am predicting cash book. B, I am predicting prime entry books. Any questions related to prime entry books? C, in question number 1, source documents. And D, I am expecting a ledger. A ledger means it can be accruals and prepayments. Any type of adjustments can be tested in ledger. So you should have an idea about the accruals. Don't say that you didn't have a time to learn about the accruals. If you have still problems in accruals type, we'll put a video on accruals and prepayments soon before your exams. Then moving on to the second part, question number 2. Last time we expected this question, but it did not come. That is what I said, 80% of the accuracy. This time I'm expecting this question, clubs and societies. A, which will be tested. So along with clubs and societies, when I say clubs and societies, I'm speaking about the subscription account, income and expenditure account, and also I'm speaking about the incomplete records, because sometimes you need to find the subscription paid, so that time you need to have incomplete records knowledge to do this. And then B, I'm expecting provision for doubtful debts, most probably related to irrecoverable debts. Most probably in your terms, if I said bad debt adjustments will be highly tested this time. C, accounting concepts. And then D, there will be an advice question. Is it good to take a loan to expand, or is it better to go with the internal funds? Things like that type of questions can be tested. And then question number 3, as far as we know, correction of errors is highly tested on your papers, and of course you will have a huge question on correction of errors along with suspense account this time as well. And then B, I'm expecting accounting policies and adjustments. So that type of area can be tested, not highly, but let me say this is a prediction. And question number 4, we are expecting partnership. Definitely there will be a question along with income statement. Last time they had an income statement. This time you might have a balance sheet or income statement. We can't exactly say, but it's better to learn income statement and balance sheet both for your papers. And then we have, we also think that there will be a changes of equity question and a depreciation. Definitely there will be a question in depreciation. It can be a depreciation, provision for depreciation, or disposal adjustment. If you do not know depreciation, the link of that particular video which I have done for you all is below this video's description, so you guys can watch. And then the last but not least, we are expecting ratios. Of course, ratios can be anything. Any ratios can be tested this time. So learn the entire ratios. Again, if you do not know anything about ratios, that particular ratios explanation video is also below this description. And finally, that's all guys. So there's nothing much to speak about the paper. So I have given you the entire prediction within a short span of time. If you love, if you love the way I predict the papers, keep commenting what is the next prediction I should do. Should I work on business studies or should I work on economics? See you guys on the next video soon as possible. And best of luck for all the students who are doing the exams in 2024 7707 October-November. Thank you.